Standing in your ruins, feeling out like the end. So used to losing, you're afraid to try again. Right now I see your emotions, but it was a flame. Truth is that you're not forgotten, cause grace knows your name. God's not done with you, even with a broken heart and your wounds and your scars. God's not done with you, even when you're lost and inside and you're falling apart. God's not done with you, it's not over, it's only begun. So don't